Hello everyone! Are you wondering what parasocial means? Let's explore. Parasocial describes a one-sided relationship where a person feels a deep emotional connection to a media figure, such as a celebrity, influencer, or fictional character, who doesn't know they exist. This phenomenon occurs when someone follows a public figure's life closely through social media, television, or other platforms, developing strong feelings as if they were friends or family. Despite the lack of real interaction, the relationship feels real to the person experiencing it. Parasocial relationships are increasingly common in the digital age, where access to the personal lives of public figures is readily available. While these relationships can provide comfort or inspiration, they also highlight the emotional investment people can make in figures who are unaware of their existence. Parasocial interactions reveal the complex nature of modern connections in a media-driven world. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.